Let's download the data and take a look at our dataset. In the search bar, enter Marvin Analytics and then click on the first link. Now go to Discover, click on Resource, and from here click on Data Playground. Here you can see all these data sets and there are categories given too. Alright, so the data we will be working with is this CRM sales opportunities. So click on View Details and click on Preview Data, and you can see there are 5 tables, this and alright. So what we will do here is we will download the data set, and once you download the data set, extract it. Now what I have done is I have extracted the data. So as you can see, here is my data and these are the 5 tables: accounts, data dictionary, products, sales pipeline, and sales team. Now let's view the data one by one. Now as you can see, these are the company's data and these are the companies here, and this is the sector in which these companies are from, and this is the established date of these companies, and this is the total revenue, and this is the employees. Each of these companies have the office location and the subsidiary information too. Overall you can see this is all the company data. Okay, so let's view the other tables. Data dictionary, this is a data dictionary table, and this basically contains information about the column names. Like in the products table there is a product, and what it means is that it contains the product names, and similarly in the products there is the sales price, which means that suggested sales price, and basically it's just a dictionary. And for the next table, products, this table contains the price of each of the products. Okay, so that's it. And for the sales pipeline, now this is a sales pipeline table. It basically contains the sales agents and the products which they are selling and the deal stage. There are basically 3 deal stages: one, engaging, or lost. These are the 3 stages, and there is the engage date, and then there is a close date and close value. Okay, so let's move on to the next table. This contains the sales agents' names and who is their manager and where their office is located. Now let's move these tables to Azure Cloud.